Hello everybody, welcome back to today's plugin coding tutorial video thingy. So today, haven't made one of these in a while, so what we're going to do is we're going to keep it pretty simple. We're just going to create like an on-join message that you get when joining the server for the first time, or no, we're not going to do it the first time, we're going to do it every time. So you can make this for like hub updating notifications and stuff. If my background here, or if my IntelliJ looks different, it's because it was updated to the latest version, which makes some stuff move around. But if you have any issues, just pause the video, look where I'm putting stuff, and if you have the older version, not a lot has changed, so you don't really have to worry about it, things are in the same place, etc. So, let's take a quick look. For this, we're going to create our new event, because we're going to be creating a join event. We're going to call it join message, is going to be our class name. We'll add this to our Git. Remember to add everything to your GitHub, because you want a backup of everything you do, so make sure to add it. In this case, we are going to be implementing listener, because we are going to be using events, because we're going to be getting an event class, and we're going to be sending them a message on join. Then we're going to do our normal thing where we use our event handler, and we're going to make a public void, and we can call this, like, join message, I don't know. Make it something you want, and then it's going to be player join event, which we would call E, and we need to get the player, of course. Player P equals e.getPlayer. That easy. Make sure to import all your imports. Now this is where we can just add our message. So we can do p.sendMessage. We'll make it like a gray outline. So we'll make like an outline here, which we then can copy. And then inside here we can do like send message, chat color blue, and say like, welcome to the BGHD Dev tutorial server. And then we can send another message like chat color dot, I don't know, we'll go red. Your username is, and then we can add a space here, and then we'll just do p.getName. Just like that. So pretty much what we're saying is, when we join the server, we're going to put two lines here. Inside these two lines, we're going to make a message that says, welcome to the BGHD tutorial server, and then another message that says, your username is your username. So, of course, like normal, we have to register this in our main class to make sure everything's ready. So we'll go down to our register event here. We'll do PM, register events, new, and then the event class, which in our case, it's called join message. And then, comma, this. Just like that. Pretty easy to do. Ignore this window defender thing in the bottom right. So pretty easy to do. We added it successfully. Now, make sure to go into your pom.xml and change your version number to your next version. In our case, it's 0.13, which will update your plugin.yml. There's no need to update anything else in here in this one, because, as you see, we didn't add a new command. We just added a event. So then, all you have to do is build your project, build artifacts, rebuild, exactly like that. And we're going to drag this into our Minecraft here. Once you finish building, you can see it down here. It will also pop up in the bottom right-hand corner on when it pops up and ready to put it into your folder. So you can see it's building down here in the bottom. There we go, it built. Thank you for this new subscriber that subscribed at the exact same time as it finished compiling. Thank you. There's a shout out to you. We also got some advertisements going on down there. Alright, we can drag this into our plugins folder now. We're going to replace the old run, and we're going to start the server. In which case, we are going to pull up our Minecraft at the same time. So it's loading up here. Make sure it loads up, so it's successfully loaded up, and we're going to join the server. Hey look, there is our message. There's what we said. We said put gray lines above and below, and it says, welcome to the BGHD tutorial server. Your username is NoodlesYT. So it successfully created the message we wanted, and I successfully sent it. So, why don't we edit the colors a little, make it look a little better. We'll make it all blue. So we'll make this blue. And then, in this case, I'll show you how to do this. We're gonna make our username yellow, so we'll do chat color yellow. But you can see this is giving us an error here, right? If I do this, it's gonna, oh, it doesn't. Oh, I know why. That's only if you're doing something else, so ignore that. I'll explain that in a different video. But in this case, we're doing your username is chat color yellow, player.getGame. Pretty easy to do. So make sure to do this, make it look nice. Why don't we add another line as well? And we'll make it blue to keep with our format here. And we could say, you are playing on... Well, we already said you are playing. What should we say here? Make sure to subscribe to our YT channel. Exclamation point. And then we'll put our link down here in white. You don't really need to put chat color white, but I'm going to put it anyway. And what I'll do is I'll do chat color white, chat color dot italic. This is what I was talking about earlier. If you do 2 of these, it's going to give you an error. So here's how you fix this error. Right after you do chat color white plus, you're going to put these parentheses here, and then add another plus. That will get rid of the error, and nothing will appear in between those. So then you can put the link to .com/BGHDDevelopment. And we can export once again. And I'll show you what that looks like. So it's successfully exported. We'll reload our server. We'll go ahead and rejoin, because remember it's a join event. And there it says, welcome to the BGHD Development tutorial server. Your username is NoodlesYT. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's italic, white in the bottom, and you can click it. All good. So there you go. We have successfully made our public join event. So you don't need to be a username to receive it. As you see, I'm still receiving the debug message we set up in the last few videos because I still have my username. So, yeah, pretty easy to do. Hopefully you did enjoy today's tutorial series. Remember, when you are done, go here, go to your VCS, commit your changes, and push them to GitHub. And let's show you how to do this. We're going to say added join message. We're going to go ahead and push this, commit and push this to our GitHub. And we are done. We have successfully updated our plugin, and it's been pushed to GitHub. If you have questions on how to do anything you saw in this video, make sure to leave a comment or go ahead and contact us on Discord. We have an amazing Discord with over 500 members where you can ask for support, get help with your code, and a lot of other things, so make sure to go ahead and join, and we can help you out there. I'm not sure how many episodes of this series is going to be remaining, like this basic tutorial series. I'm thinking of starting a new series that actually starts to create something, not just random stuff all in one plugin, but like a game mode that explains how you code a game mode fully. I'm not sure if it's going to be something like Meetup or something. I'm not exactly sure yet. We will see. But we will see pretty soon, because I'm thinking of starting that very soon. Another coding tutorial. Don't worry, coding tutorials aren't going anywhere. I'm just thinking of making one that is a little more advanced, because we've been doing the basic stuff for quite a while now. So I'm thinking of getting into the more advanced stuff. If you have suggestions for what you want to see in those videos of more of the advanced work, let me know, and I would be happy to create something that makes sense for that. With me leaving all these villagers in the middle of the ocean, have a great day. Hopefully you did enjoy today's tutorial video. And if you have questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We'll be happy to help you out. Oh, final mention for this video. Make sure to subscribe, because without subscribing, you won't know when we update any more of these. And we've released a new wiki page for all of our stuff. And I believe there will be a coding tutorial series wiki there. So if you want to check that out, the link will be in the top of the description where you can check it out. It has support with all of our plugins, and if you do need support, make sure to check that out first, because it may have the answer to your question before you even ask it. So, you know, it's very helpful for things in that case. I had something else to say. Oh, yes. We now have 25 developers, if you didn't hear in our last tutorial video. So make sure to, if you need a custom plugin, contact us on Discord, and we'll be happy to create one for you. And in a final note, thank you all for the support. Our channel's been growing a lot recently. I hope to continue this, and I've set up a murder fest of zombie villagers out here. So this is where I'm going to leave you today. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Noodles. I'll see you in the next coding tutorial video, most likely next week. I'm trying to do these once a week if I'm not too tired. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Goodbye.